Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be solving University of Abuja Chemistry post-UTME past question 8. And the question says, which of the following gases can be collected by the method of downward delivery? A. Chlorine, B. Oxygen, C. Ammonia, and D. Hydrogen. Now, what is downward delivery? Now, downward delivery is simply a method of collection of gaseous substances that are denser than air. Now, it's a method of collection of gases in which these gases are denser than air. Now, gases that are denser or heavier than air will be collected by the process of downward delivery. Now, the concept of this process is that the denser gas sinks or goes down, displacing the air, which is lighter. Now, the air is lighter, hence the air goes up and the gases come down. That is why it is called downward delivery. Now, the concept of this particular question is to analyze the options and note the gases that are actually denser than air. Now, any gas that is denser than air will actually be displaced by downward delivery, but the ones that are lighter than air will not be suitable for this particular method. Firstly, we have chlorine gas. Now, the chlorine gas is said to be 2.5 times denser than air. Now, it is 2.5 times denser than air. Now, you agree with me that due to the weight or the heaviness of the chlorine gas, it will be very suitable to use the method of downward delivery. So, I tick chlorine. Now, we have oxygen. Now, oxygen is slightly denser than air. Now, when I say slightly denser than air, I mean the density is kind of negligible. The difference in density between oxygen and air is kind of negligible. So it will not be really suitable to use downward delivery as their densities are very close. So oxygen will not be used. Ammonia and hydrogen. Now, ammonia and hydrogen H2 are lighter than air. They are very light gases. Now, since they are lighter than air, downward delivery cannot also be applicable. So B, C, and D are actually wrong. So the most suitable answer in this particular question is A, option A, chlorine. So chlorine can actually be collected by a method of downward delivery. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.